Hi students, welcome to 6th Standard English Unit 2, that Sunday morning vocabulary. Match the price with their meanings. Book page 98. Price are groups of two or more words that work together to perform a single grammatical functions in a sentence. Phrases do not contain a subject or a predicate. இதில் வந்து subject அல்லனா predicate அப்படின்னு எதுவுமே தனியாக இருக்காது. 1. Drew level with draws to an equal level. 2. Whoop with glee, shot with enthusiasm and happiness. 3. Jammed on the brakes, tried to stop the motion immediately. 4. Clung for dear life, as if one's life depends on it. 5. Charged up the road, ran very quickly in panic. 6. Beat a hasty retreat to leave a place quickly. Next, refer to a dictionary and find out the meaning of the words given below. Beam, to smile. Beam, to smile radiantly or happily. Happily மட்டும் எழுதினாலும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. Smile and amused facial expression. Hiffa, a loud and restrained burst of laughter. Laugh, to show an emotion of joy. Giggle, to laugh repeatedly without control. Exercise E. Read the sentences given below, filling the blanks with the correct form of the appropriate letter words from the exercise above. Exercise D. Follow the words. Kavita's face beamed with joy as she arrived in India. Beamed. Exercise D words. 2. This show was enjoyed by all the audience and they laughed out loudly all the while. 3. Laughed. Question number 3. When I tickle Nishant, he always makes a loud hiffa. Question number 4. Brahmi didn't mean any harm. He just did it for giggling. 5. Things will calm down. You just keep smiling. Book page 99. F. Pick the words from the text that is similar to the words or price given below. 1. Threatening and extremely angry scowl. 2. A heavy blow or hit thump. 3. Happening gently and slowly, gradually. 4. Any building of a first age regarded as the historically important place, monuments. 5. Had luck, unfortunate. G. Match each words with its antonyms. Shady, shiny. Ford, interested. Glee, misery. Panic, gum. Hasty, slow. Book page 101. Grammar. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with suitable words. The car was moving too fast. 2. The lift is moving slowly. Jonah did her classwork neatly. Hirthi wasn't arrived late. Paul always plays cricket with his friends. Suguna often helps her mother at home. These words fast, slowly, neatly, late, always, often, adverb. Okay. Book page 102. Read the sentences and put the adverb in the correct boxes. Give 2 more examples of your own in each box. 1. Anand has decided to submit his project tomorrow. Tomorrow, adverb. 2. The cat ran behind, adverb. 3. Paraman sang in the choir happily adverb. 4. We never come late to the office, never late adverb. 5. The stray elephant was set free in the forest yesterday adverb. Arun and Vimala usually complete their homework in time, usually adverb. 7. Raghav looked at his sister affectionately adverb. 8. I prepared to leave early adverb. Read the sentences and put the adverb in the correct boxes. Tomorrow, adverb of time. Behind, adverb of place. Happily, adverb of manner. Late, adverb of time. Never, adverb of time. Yesterday, adverb of time. Usually, adverb of frequency. Affectionately, adverb of manner. Early, adverb of time. Example, Suresh fell down adverb of place. I usually woke up after lunch, usually adverb of frequency. Anita passed the English test easily adverb of manner. Book page number 102. Girl, put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Use a different color to write the adverb. Was somebody there nearby standing? Arrange the words. There are somebody standing nearby. Question number 2. Come Anand to school early. Arrange the words. Anand come to school early. Third, softly Murali speak. Murali speak softly. 4. Beautifully the cows have they recorded. They have recorded the cows beautifully. 5. English classes during always we English speak. Arrange the words. We always speak English during English classes. Page number 103. M. Pick the words from the box and put them in the appropriate column. Some words kindly, soft, sweet, everywhere, bright, constantly, few, then, cute, loudly. Adverb, kindly adverb, soft adjective, sweet adjective, everywhere adverb, bright adverb, constantly adjective, few adverb, then few adjective, then adverb, huge adjective, loudly adverb. Thank you, students.